Welcome! My name is Marina, and I am a data analyst at LS Retail. In this video, I will present to you the analytics report for bookings for LS Central, a module designed to manage reservations, appointments, and the resources necessary to perform the services. At the LS Central online help page, you can find under Analytics LS Central module the bookings report created with sample data for a spa facility. From this link, you can access the report and interact with it. This report was created to provide you with powerful insights for data-oriented decisions at your fingertips. The first report page is the navigation page. Here, all the report pages are lined up for you to explore. I will now take you on a tour and explain to you some of the report pages. First, let's navigate to the Bookings dashboard page. Here we have an overview of key business KPIs and insights about the levels of activity during the weekdays over the last months for bookings, reservations, and activities. The next report page, Bookings Daily, gives us the opportunity to further dive into the data details. Here we can filter by different metrics and have a weekly view broken down by hours for these metrics. We can then further explore the details of these reservations, such as the customer name and payment status. Next, we will move to the Bookings Overview page. This report page allows us to visualize the development over time for different metrics and make comparisons with the different time periods. At the Revenue Overview page, we are presented with a quick summary over the revenue results for current and last year, and we can then further explore revenue by product type and description. I will now move to the report page Members Overview, where we can find some demographics for the customers. Here, you will be able to find answers to the key question: who are my customers? Where are my customers from? Which gender? And their age distribution. We then can further explore the members' details and provide the members' contact list, sorted by revenue, and this list can later be extracted and used to contact your customers, for example. We then further develop our members' analysis and segment customers based on their profitability and activities reservation numbers, so that you can perform an evaluation of their contribution to your business. So that you get to know also which channels the customers are using for their bookings, we have created the Channel Overview report page, where we make comparisons among channels over time for different metrics. We will now move on to the analysis of the activities individually. At the Activity Overview report page, we can verify the activity's booking development over time and make comparisons between one particular activity and the rest of the activities. So that you track your pricing strategy, we have created the Price Analysis report, where different offerings are plotted into 4 quadrants that categorize your offering based on the relation between the price and the number of activities booked, in a way that you can identify which products have a successful pricing strategy and which ones could be developed. Later, we also provide you with an Activity Pareto Analysis report page. Here, we will be able to identify which key activities are driving the most percentage of the revenue. From this chart, we learn that the activities massage 60 minutes, premium spa access, massage 30 minutes, and consultation make for 80% of the total revenue. In this booking deck of report pages, we present you with the possibility to analyze your resource utilization. You will be able to analyze the percentage utilization over the available capacity of these resources for different resource types and their progression over time, and their utilization percentage distribution over the weekdays. At the end of this bookings report, we present you with Bookings Dataset Items report page. This page displays all the report objects within the report semantic model, the dimension and fact tables utilized, which you can search for at the text slicer, the relationships between the tables, and also all measures and their respective tax formulas can be searched for alphabetically. We have now reached the end of our bookings report chart tour. We hope you enjoyed, and we encourage you to find further information on how to install our product package, where this bookings report is included at. You can go to LS Central Online Help, Analytics module, Onboarding process, and find the instructions on how to download our Analytics product package. Thank you very much for watching this video, and until the next time.